Hello guys, welcome back into another educative video guys. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe because on this channel we discuss about importation and how you can make money online guys. So you don't want to miss out on our upcoming videos guys. So make sure you like and subscribe and turn up the notification bell. Whenever we drop, you will be one of the first person to know guys. So now let's get today's video started. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Chinese agents and why you need one guy. So now let's get started. So guys, the first thing I want to talk about is who is Chinese agent and what is the work of Chinese agent guys. So Chinese agent is your eyes in China guys. So as a beginner, you need a Chinese agent guys. So you shouldn't just order and ship to your warehouse, then from your warehouse down to Nigeria. No, if you are a beginner, you shouldn't do that because you need someone that can help you to verify your products or your goods, that they will help you to check them. You understand? So not all shipping companies can check your goods guys, but Chinese agents can. So in a simple town, let's just say Chinese agent is your eyes in China guys. So they are like a middleman. Let's say they are a middleman between your supplier and your warehouse guys. So it is that simple guys. What they just need to do is when you buy products from China guys, you ship to your Chinese agent, then your Chinese agents will verify your products and then send you a picture of the product for you to check the quality before your goods get shipped out of China guys. So when you check the quality, you are satisfied with the quality, then your Chinese agents will help you to ship to your warehouse before you ship down to Nigeria or anywhere you are in Africa guys. So that is the work of Chinese agent guys. So as a beginner, you need Chinese agent because they will help you to verify your goods. So you don't really need to be worried about quality. Oh, you are buying the wrong product, what I order versus what I got. So you shouldn't be having those type of headache at your early days in Chinese importation guys, because if you don't use them, some supplier can scam you guys. Yes, some supplier can scam you because mostly new importers get scammed if they don't follow a blueprint laid down to them by the teachers or anywhere they learn importation from guys. So they easily fall scam because there are some goods they will see them very cheap and they will still buy. So when they buy, they get the lowest quality of that product. Then they started badmouthing importation, that importation is bad or something like that. No, it is you. You are the issue. So fix yourself. So in this video, I'm telling you how to fix yourself. As I was saying, they will help you verify your goods, guys. So you won't be worried about any product quality or nothing of such, guys. So that is the work of Chinese agent. And the next thing I want to talk about is how to find a good Chinese agent guys. Actually, this depends on the group or the importation family you belong to guys. So different people use different Chinese agent guys. Like me now, like I have a Chinese agent I do give my students or people that learn importation from me. I give them the Chinese agent I'm using guys. So guys, if you want that Chinese agent guys, I'll drop my WhatsApp in the description guys. So make sure you message me on WhatsApp, then I will send you the Chinese agent guys. The Chinese agent I use guys, it will help you to verify your goods, send you picture, and also you can also put products inside a big product, which means it will reduce your shipping cost guys. For an example now, let's say you buy a freezer and then you buy a lot of shoes or any other stuff like that. So you can tell your Chinese agent to help you put all those goods inside your freezer guys. So when your supplier puts it inside your freezer, it will reduce your shipping cost drastically guys. So as you can see, that's an amazing thing guys. So you need to use a Chinese agent as a beginner guys. So the next thing I also want to talk about is how much do they charge guys. So their fees varies, actually mostly charged by kg guys. So different Chinese agent charges different prices guys, but the Chinese agent I'm using, let me use that as an example because that is what I'm using guys. So I will tell you what I know about it. So the Chinese agent I'm using charges 3 yuan per kg. That means if you buy a goods that weigh 1 kg and you send it to your Chinese agent guys, so it will only charge you 3 yuan, guys, and you also pay using Alipay, your regular Alipay, guys, or WeChat, guys. So it is that easy to do, guys. So it is not something complicated. And actually, some agents charges like 3% or 5%, like procurement's work. Procurement agent charges 5%, guys. So some Chinese agents also, they charges like 5%. So it just depends on the Chinese agents you choose to use. But the one I'm using only charges 3 yuan per kg, guys. So that is it, very affordable to use, guys. And also, that one thing I also want to talk about is that my Chinese agent also has another level, guys. So there is two levels. There is one, remove unnecessary carton and take a picture. So the level two I'm talking about is that remove unnecessary carton, take a picture, and also count the quantity of the goods. Let's say now you bought, for an example, what can I use as an example? Let's say you bought airpod. Yeah, let's say you bought airpod. You bought 100 pieces, guys. So you can tell the Chinese agent to help you to count the quantity if it is completed, guys. So you can also ask the Chinese agent to do that, but with that they charge extra fee. That means they charge 4 yuan, guys. But if you only ask them to remove unnecessary carton and take a picture, that's 3 yuan per kg. But if you tell them to remove unnecessary carton, take a picture, and then count the quantity of your goods, that means they will charge 4 yuan per kg, guys. So those are the two levels my Chinese agent uses, guys. So I don't know about other Chinese agent, guys, but the one I use, those are its fee, guys. So like I said, any Chinese agent you want to use, always verify their price, guys, and ask for their offer, guys. So it is that easy, guys. And also, one thing you should also keep in mind is that some agents, they have minimum kg. Like for an example, some agents, their minimum order is 10 kg. What did I mean by that? Is that, most shipping agents, they charge minimum of 1 kg. So what I mean is that some agent, they charge you like your goods will weigh like 10 kg before you can use them. If your goods is not up to 10 kg, so they will charge you for 10 kg fee, if you understand what I'm saying. So it just depends actually on the Chinese agents you choose to use, guys. So just keep that at the back of your mind. So when you are chatting with a Chinese agent, always ask for their fee and then their minimum order, guys. So always ask minimum order for you to be sure. So guys, the last thing I also want to talk about is red flag you should notice in Chinese agent, guys. So the first red flag I want to talk about is if Chinese agent asks you to pay in full before confirmation, then you should be worried. What did that mean by before confirmation? Which means before they do their job, which means before they're able to check your goods and send you picture, they're asking you to pay first. Then you might actually be talking to a scammer, guys. You might actually get scammed, or you might not get your goods reviewed, guys. They just want your money. No, any Chinese agent that asks for money first before they do their job, that means they are not reliable. Don't use them. So that's why I always ask a lot of questions when you are using someone for the first time, guys. Always ask questions. There's nothing wrong in asking question, guys. So if someone even tell you that you are asking too much of question, then don't use them, guys. You need to ask question. You need to have knowledge of what you are doing, guys. So asking question is nothing, there's nothing wrong with that. Anybody that can answer your question, just leave them and go to another person. It is that easy. There are a lot of Chinese agents online, guys, you can use. And the second thing I also want to say is poor communication. For an example now, let's say you message your agent in the morning, then the agents reply the next day or the third day or a day after. That means you should be worried, guys. So poor communication is also bad for business, guys. You shouldn't use a Chinese agent that has poor communication. Yes, they are very busy because they deal with a lot of people, if not thousands of people, guys. But with the thousands of people they deal with, they should still be able to message you within that day. Let's say you message them in the morning. Before night, you should be able to get your reply, guys. So any Chinese agents that delay reply, which means poor communication, and they reply a day after, 2 days after, then you shouldn't use them, because there are sometimes you will be in urgent, guys. You need to know what is going on, guys. So because they are your high, like I said, they are your high in China. Chinese agents are your high in China. So if they don't reply fast, then something might have gone wrong between that 1 day or 2 days interval, guys. So always notice that poor communication also, don't use them if a Chinese agent has poor communication. don't use them. It's that easy. And the last one is that if your Chinese agent doesn't send you picture, then that is wrong, guys. So any Chinese agent you use always send you picture when they are packing. Some might not even send when they are packing, but when they have packed your goods together, they will always send you picture. Like I said, they are your high. So that picture is your high. So if any Chinese agent is not sending you picture, then you should be worried. Don't use them. It is that easy, guys. So those are the red flags you should look for when using a Chinese agent, guys. So that'll be all for today in this video, guys. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, because on our channel we drop educative video like this that will help you out as a business owner or as just an individual that is interested in learning importation business, guys. So make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.